Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to see how to install the TensorFlow GPU in your Windows laptop. And for this, you have to download the Anaconda first, and you can download this by visiting the Anaconda website, official website. And once this official website will open, you can click this skip registration option. Then after that, you can choose the Anaconda installer from here. It is nearly 900 MB, and if you click this option, the Anaconda will be downloaded. Okay, then after that, once this Anaconda will be downloaded, you can install that installer. And once you open that installer, then the installation procedure will begin. Yeah, and click choose the next option. Then after that, choose I agree, then next, then next. Then choose the all four option, check mark the four option, and click the install button, and your installation of your Anaconda will starts. And once this procedure will be completed, Anaconda will be successfully installed in your system. This will take a bit time to install. Now choose on next, now choose on finish. Now the Anaconda will be installed in your laptop. Now after this, the another task is you have to make sure whether your Nvidia graphics card is up to date or not. And if you don't know how to update your Nvidia graphics cards, you can install this Nvidia app using this link. I'll provide you this link in the description part, and choose on download now. And once this will be downloaded, you can click on check for update option. And once if there is any update is available, then your graphics card, Nvidia graphics card will be updated. You have to download this app, Nvidia app, then go to the driver tab and choose the check for updates. And if any update is available, click on the download and choose the express installation. And using this, your Nvidia graphics card will be updated. Now the next phase is how to install the TensorFlow GPU in your laptop. And if you want to install the TensorFlow GPU, you can use the TensorFlow 2.10 version because after 2.10 version, the support of GPU in TensorFlow is not available. So if you want to use, if you have installed the TensorFlow greater than 2.10, then you will be only allowed to use the CPU, but you are not allowed to use the GPU. But if you want to use the GPU, you have to install the TensorFlow of this version 2.10 or less than 2.10. Now we will be installing the TensorFlow GPU in the new environment of the Anaconda. So for this, I've already installed the Anaconda. Now I'll open the Anaconda prompt and I will paste the code from here one by one. I'll just, uh, I'm just creating a environment. My virtual environment name is tup underscore GPU. I'm installing the Python 3.9 version. I will copy this code and I will paste here. Paste anyway. Now, a new virtual environment will be created with name TNCTF underscore GPU, and it will install the 3.9 Python version in this virtual environment. This will take a bit time because it is installing it's creating a new environment TF underscore GPU and installing the Python 3.9. Now this has been completed. It has installed the Python 3.9 and my virtual environment is created. Previously, I was working in the base environment of the Anaconda, but now inside the Anaconda, I have created a new virtual environment where I can install any libraries that I require. Next, I will be running this code to install the Jupyter as well as the kernel or kernel of the Jupyter. Now paste this code here. Anaconda install Jupyter IPY kernel. I'm installing the Jupyter as well as the kernel required for the Jupyter. And this will also take time for the installation. I will just fast forward it to make the video short. Yeah, now this has been completed. Now next after that, Jupyter is now installed and as well as the kernel is also installed. Next, I'm going to install the CUDA and CUDA that are required to work. So I'm copying this line and pasting here. Now this line will install the CUDA, CUDA as well as the CUDA of version 11.2 and CUDA of version 8.10 that are required for the TensorFlow 2.10. This will take a bit time depending upon your internet connection. This line is installing the TensorFlow version 2.10. This is nearly 455 MB. Let's fast forward it. I think during installation of the TensorFlow 2.0, I think it has also installed the NumPy of version 2.0.2. But unfortunately, the TensorFlow 2.10 does not support this NumPy greater than 2. So we have to downgrade this NumPy version. We have to install the lower version of this NumPy. So once this installation will be completed, we will we'll uninstall the NumPy and install the version lesser than 2.0. Yeah, this step has been completed, but I am having here NumPy greater than 2.0.2. So I have to downgrade this NumPy. Now I'll be installing the NumPy less than 2.0. Here I have to downgrade it. First I will install the NumPy. This will install the NumPy and it will it will install the NumPy less than 2.0 because TensorFlow 2.10 supports 2. NumPy less than 2.0. So I'm installing this NumPy. I think I'm installing the NumPy 1.2.6 version, which is lesser than 2. Now this NumPy has been installed. Now I will check whether yeah, okay, the next line is I want to give the name of my, I want to add this kernel to my Jupyter. I want to give it the name tf underscore GPU, and this will be the name of my this will be the name of my GPU that I have installed, TensorFlow GPU. I will copy this code here and paste here. Yeah, it will have my in this virtual environment tf underscore GPU. My GPU name will be tf underscore GPU. Now let's run this. Now it has been executed. Now here we have completed the all procedure. Now let's check whether the TensorFlow has installed or not. And for this you have to just activate your GPU. TensorFlow GPU TF GPU in virtual environment. Then you have to paste this code right here. I'm just actually I'm already in TF underscore GPU environment. Anyway, I will just paste. It will not have any impact. Now see here, this code is executing. If TensorFlow GPU is there, then it will display the name of the GPU. And if there will be no GPU, then it will display some error will be displayed here. If you receive some error, it means your GPU has not been installed properly. You have to either update your Nvidia graphics card, and if it is installed properly, then you will see here the name of your GPU. Yeah, it has shown here your GPU name. It means your GPU has been successfully installed in your laptop. Now you can close this one. Now let's test this code whether the TensorFlow is working or not. I have got here some codes. Now to open the Jupyter notebook, you can simply write here Jupyter notebook. It means I want to make this my working directory. Press enter. Yeah, yeah. Now your Jupyter notebook has been started. Now you can click one of this file. First, I want to test whether Jupyter TensorFlow GPU is installed or not. I will just choose kernel, click on kernel, change kernel. Then after that, this was my GPU, TensorFlow GPU that I have installed in my Windows 11. I will select this kernel and select and run all sales. Now see here, you can see here the information GPU available. This it is showing this information. It means my GPU is working. Currently, I am using the my laptop GPU. It means my program, whatever the program I am running, they will be executing on the my laptop GPU. Nvidia GPU will be executed in my laptop. Now I will open this program. Here, first of all, I will choose the kernel. Let's see, first run the CPU part. This is your CPU kernel. This is your kernel base kernel, and this is your GPU, TensorFlow GPU. Let's only run the first TensorFlow. This is your GPU that does not contain any TensorFlow. This is not the TensorFlow GPU. It will be only using your CPU. Now choose on the run all sale. Here in this code, you will not be using any GPU. You will be using the one CPU. Therefore, you are getting there is only this empty. You are getting it means you are not using any GPU in this code. We are not using any GPU. We are only utilizing the CPU. And our CPU, our TensorFlow version is 2.10. And one error is here, matplot library. This library needs to be installed. So I will just have to copy this code. And actually, I am just activating my Anaconda TF underscore GPU Anaconda and installing the matplot library. Conda activate TF underscore GPU. I'm activating this virtual environment. I'm installing the matplot library here. Now you can see here it was earlier previously based. Now it is this virtual environment. Now I am going to install here pip install matplot library. Now this will install your matplot library in your pip underscore GPU virtual environment. Similarly, you can also create as many virtual environment as you want and install the different version of the TensorFlow according to your choice. Now here I am installing in this virtual environment my matplot library. Now matplot library has been installed successfully. Now let's again restart the kernel. Restart kernel. Now again let's choose first CPU only. We will select only the CPU kernel. This is only the CPU kernel. It will be using only the CPU. It will not use any GPU. You see here, currently I'm not using any GPU, only the CPU is there. First, and this is your machine learning program. This model is quite heavy. I think it is nearly 2 crore 34 lakhs parameter is there. It is a quite heavy model is it is. And to execute this code, it is taking nearly 38 minutes, which is extremely a very long time. I have to wait for a very long time. And so next time I will be using the GPU TensorFlow GPU and see the impact of the TensorFlow change kernel. From here, now choose your GPU kernel that you have installed. This is the TensorFlow GPU. This was the simple normal CPU, TensorFlow CPU was there. Now I'm choosing the TensorFlow GPU that I have installed. Now I will choose run all sales. Now it will show if I'm using any GPU, it will show the name of the GPU. Now you can see here, previously it was just empty, but now it has shown that I am using this GPU. Now here also, this is my GPU. It is showing the information of the GPU device. Now the same model is again the same. It is 2 crore 34 lakhs parameter, and this code is executing. Now you can see here, previously while I was using the CPU, it was taking nearly more than 38 minutes to execute the same code. But with GPU, my computational time, processing time has been reduced to near about 1 minute and 34 seconds. It means my GPU is processing by this, it is training very fast in comparison to the training in the CPU based TensorFlow. So you can use this is how you can install the TensorFlow GPU in your systems in order to boost your ML or DL models. You can use the TensorFlow GPU for the faster execution. Now you can see here the execution has been execution speed has been extremely increased when I'm using the GPU, TensorFlow GPU. I think my TensorFlow my GPU is nearly 40 times or more than that faster than in comparison to the running the code in the same CPU. So you people can use the GPU to execute your ML or DL model. Okay, only this much for today. See you in the next session. Bye bye.